You can breathe, Lily.
I knew that. Is it purple yet?
Not yet.
How about now?
Still not yet. All right. You can look now.
Whoa! Is that really me?
It is still you.
But cooler!
This song is for everyone who feels a little different. You don't have to look like everyone else. Wear what you love. Choose the colors you love. Be brave.
Be happy. Be yourself. Wow, she is so cool. Purple, pink, and a little bit of blue? My hair is always brown. Maybe I should try something new too. I want to look cool. Miss Vivian has every color in the world. Purple hair, here I come.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Miss Vivian.
You look very excited.
I have a very important question.
All right, I'm listening.
Can you make me look cool?
You already look cool.
I want to look extra cool.
How extra?
This extra.
That is a lot of extra.
I want colorful hair, like the singer on TV.
Colorful hair?
Yes, purple and pink. Maybe a little blue too.
Dark purple?
Too serious.
Bright pink?
Too much like strawberry candy.
Lavender?
Oh, I like this one.
We can add a little pink at the ends.
Purple and pink together?
Why choose only one?
That is exactly what I was thinking.
Did you talk to your parents about changing your hair?
Not exactly.
Not exactly?
I want it to be a surprise.
Some surprises are bigger than others, Lily.
Will the color stay forever?
No, I have a temporary hair color made for children. It washes out with shampoo.
So my hair can be brown again?
Of course, it is gentle, temporary, and washable. We will only color a few sections.
Can we color all of it?
You can always try more another time with your parents' permission.
Okay, a few sections can still be extra cool.
Ready?
Ready!
Keep your head still. You can breathe, Lily.
I knew that. Is it purple yet?
Not yet.
How about now?
Still not yet.
Now?
Lily.
Sorry, I'm just excited.
All right, you can look now.
Whoa! Is that really me?
It is still you.
But cooler! Be brave. Be happy. Be yourself.
Very nice.
Do you think Mom and Dad will like it?
I think they will want to know why you didn't ask them first.
Maybe I should wear a hat, just for a little while.
A secret usually becomes heavier the longer you carry it.
It's only a very small secret.
Go home and tell them the truth.
I will. Soon!
Where did you go?
I went for a walk.
In a winter hat?
Yes.
It is a very warm day.
My head is cold.
Only your head?
Yes. My head has different weather.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I feel great.
Then let me check your temperature.
My temperature is normal.
How do you know?
Because I asked my head.
And what did your head say?
I am perfectly fine, Mark.
Her head knows my name.
Very impressive.
I'm going to my room now.
Lunch will be ready in 10 minutes.
Can I eat in my room?
Why?
My head needs privacy.
Do you think something is under that hat?
Definitely.
A frog?
Why would it be a frog?
I'm starting with the least likely answer. Lily, you are sweating.
No, I'm not.
That looks like sweat.
It's soup water.
Soup water climbed onto your forehead?
It is very talented soup.
You don't need to wear a hat at the table.
I like this hat.
You didn't like it yesterday.
People change.
Lily, is there something you want to tell us?
No,
Are you sure?
very sure.
Your hair is purple
A little purple,
And pink.
a little pink,
and blue.
a very little blue.
Did your head create its own weather and its own rainbow?
I can explain.
We're listening.
I saw a singer on TV. She said we should be brave and be ourselves.
That sounds like good advice.
She had colorful hair and she looked confident. I wanted to feel confident too.
So you went to Vivian's salon?
She only used temporary color. It is safe, and it washes out with shampoo.
Why didn't you tell us?
I thought you might say no.
So you decided not to ask?
Yes,
Were you planning to wear that hat forever?
only until my hair turned brown again.
That could have been a very long lunch.
Are you angry?
I'm not angry about the color.
You're not?
No. Your hair is fun, and the colors suit you.
I agree. You look like a tiny rock star.
Then what is wrong?
You made a choice about your hair without talking to us. Then you tried to hide it.
I was afraid you would make me wash it out immediately.
Hiding something usually makes parents more worried, not less.
We want you to express yourself, Lily, but we also want you to talk to us.
Even when I think you might say no?
Especially then.
I'm sorry. Next time, I'll ask first.
Thank you for telling us the truth.
The hat told you the truth.
That hat is a terrible secret keeper.
Vivian really did use temporary color.
Do I have to wash it out now?
What do you think, Mom?
I think she can keep it until the end of the weekend.
Really?
But on Sunday evening, we wash it out.
Can I keep one purple section?
We'll talk about it on Sunday.
That is not a no.
She learns quickly.
I promise I won't hide things under my hat anymore.
Good, because I'm still worried about the frog.
Hi, Lily.
Why are you wearing a hat? It's warm today.
I have a surprise. Are you ready? Ready! 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Your hair, it's beautiful. Whoa, you look like a rock star.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage.
Lily Rainbow. Thank you very much. Is the color permanent?
No, it will wash out on Sunday. What did your parents say?
They let me keep it for the weekend, but I should have asked them first instead of hiding it.
Were you afraid they would say no?
A little, but hiding it only made me more nervous.
Do you feel different now?
A little cooler, but I'm still Lily. That's the best part.
Does Lily Rainbow have a message for her fans?
Be brave. Be happy. Be yourself.